Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another interesting stock to look at today, which is Barratt Developments, so let's dive right in. Why might it be the right time to invest in a housing construction stock? The UK government continues to emphasize its support of house building and commitment to tackling the country's housing shortage. And the UK economy grew at a steady rate of 1.3% in the last year. The UK average house price as of June 2018 was £225,000. The government has set a target of building around 300,000 homes a year. And the shortfall in the supply of housing stock and a continued availability of mortgage finance at low interest rates meant that house prices continued to rise this year. So this could present the right time to pick up a housing construction stock at a fair price. So why Barratt Developments? Barratt is the leading house builder in the UK, with 27 house building divisions delivering 17,579 homes this year. Not only do they lead in house building, but more importantly they also lead the industry both in customer service and build quality. Over the past 60 years Barratt has built more than 450,000 homes and were also awarded the Home Builders Federation Maximum 5-star rating, for the 9th consecutive year. And they have been awarded 83 NHBC Pride in the Job Awards on their sites in 2018, more than any other house builder for 14 consecutive years. They design developments which look great, are a pleasure to live on, and will enhance local communities for years to come. Barratt have 3 house building brands, Barratt Homes, David Wilson Homes, and Barratt London. Their commercial developments are delivered by Wilson Bowden Developments. Now let's take a deeper look at their statistics for the year. Completions by unit type. 1 and 2 bedroom houses in 2018 was 11%. 3 bedroom houses in 2018 was 33%. 4 bedroom houses in 2018 was 33%. 5 and 6 bedroom houses in 2018 was 4%. Flats in London for 2018 was 5%. Flats outside of London in 2018 was 14%. Completions by deal type. Help to Buy in 2018 was 36%. Part Exchange in 2018 was 9%. Other Private in 2018 was 31%. Investor in 2018 was 5%. Affordable in 2018 was 19%. Owned and controlled land bank plots, 79,432. Barratt Developments continue to see high-quality land opportunities across the country and have highly specialized divisional land teams with extensive local knowledge and strong relationships with landowners. This combined with detailed research into local market conditions means they are able to secure land, which can drive higher returns for the business. They can also target locations where they can provide housing the local communities desperately need, with good access to transport and local amenities. This ensures strong customer demand for their developments going forward. Barratt Developments land buying also reflects government policy towards affordable housing and first-time buyers. They continue to target a regionally balanced land portfolio with a supply of owned land of 3.5 years and a further 1 year of controlled land. At June 30, 2018, they are way over their target with 4.8 years land supply. In the fiscal year of 2018, Barratt Developments approved the purchase of 20,951 plots, up 13.3% on the prior year. This reflects the excellent land opportunities they are seeing across the country and is supportive of their ambitions of disciplined volume growth over the medium term. Barratt Developments use land creditors to defer payments for land acquisitions where appropriate to drive a higher return on capital employed, and as of June 30, 2018, the land creditor position totaled £996.7 million, representing 34% of the owned land bank. At June 30, 2019, they do however expect this to be between 30 to 35% of the owned land bank. However, Barratt do seek to reduce this further and target 25 to 30% of the owned land bank in the medium term. The company have maintained good momentum in achieving planning consents and during the year secured planning on 16,997 plots. They now have detailed or outline planning permission in place for all of their expected completions in the fiscal year of 2019 and 93.7% of expected completions in the fiscal year of 2020. New housing ranges. In 2016, the group undertook a review of its Barratt and David Wilson housing ranges. The new ranges maintain high standards of design whilst being faster to build, help in reducing build cost and waste, and are more suitable to modern methods. The company continued to roll out the new housing ranges across the business, with the new Barratt range now planned for 187 sites across the country and currently have 101 sites under construction. Barratt are experts at designing great places, and as of June 30, 2018, the average selling price of plots in Barratt Developments' owned land bank was £270,000. Now moving on to their financial information. Profit before tax. In 2018, £835.5 million. Gross margin. In 2018, 20.7%. Operating margin. In 2018, 17.7%. Return on capital employed. In 2018, 29.6%. Year-end net cash. In 2018 was £791 million. Earnings per share in pence. For 2018 was 66.5 pence. Total shareholder return was 15.6%. Now let's see what the company plans to achieve going forward. Barratt aims to lead the future of house building by putting customers at the heart of everything. Targeted land buying and effective planning. Innovative sales and marketing. Construction excellence, innovation and efficiency. Design outstanding homes and places for customers. Also, the land market remained attractive throughout the financial year, and Barratt secured excellent opportunities that exceeded their minimum hurdle rates. The group approved £933.9 million. In the fiscal year of 2019, the company are focused on new medium-term targets, being a land acquisition hurdle rate of a minimum 23% gross margin, volume growth of 3 to 5% and a minimum 25% return on capital employed, whilst continuing to lead the industry by building the highest quality homes across the country. The land market remained attractive throughout fiscal 2018, and Barratt have detailed or outlined planning permission on all of fiscal 2019 expected completions, and 93.7% of fiscal 2020 expected completions. They also increased proportion of completions from strategic land. And the rollout of new housing ranges is underway. Barratt Developments results summary. It has been a strong year for the group both operationally and financially, delivering a record profit before tax of £835 million, up 9.2% on the prior year, and the highest number of housing completions in a decade. Regional business has performed particularly strongly over the year, and as a result Barratt have also continued to strengthen their balance sheet, ending the year with net cash of £791 million and with net tangible assets of £3.7 billion. Now let's take a look at the current stock price information. Share price is currently £5.58. Its 52 weeks high was £7 and its 52 weeks low was £4.70. It currently has a P/E ratio of 8.48. And a market cap of £5.75 billion. Special dividend and share buybacks. In accordance with the extended capital return plan announced in February 2018 and the continued strong financial performance of the group, the board is pleased to recommend a final dividend of 17.9 pence per share and a special dividend of £175 million. Barratt, subject to shareholder approval, will pay both the final and special dividends on November 6, 2018 to those shareholders on the register as at the close of business on October 12, 2018. The total proposed dividend for fiscal 2018, including the interim dividend of 8.6 pence per share paid in May 2018, is therefore 43.8 pence per share. The ordinary dividend was covered around 2.5 times by basic earnings per share. Now for the housing outlook. The underlying demand for new housing is expected to remain strong, as supply is unlikely to meet demand, although buy-to-let mortgages are down to just over half the level they were 3 years ago. And also there is still some confusion as to what a Brexit Britain looks like going forward. One more thing to point out is the UK government wants to impose a tax on foreign buyers who want to purchase property in Britain. This could also impact the housing market going forward. So what do you think of this stock? Do you own Barratt Developments or would you now invest? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments and remember to like and subscribe for more stock breakdowns.